Well, the review has begun for Friday's concept quiz, and we'll start at the most recent stuff, concept 23, and this is all probability stuff. And there's words, and people call them word problems, and they freak out about that, but the words are there for you to make sense of the problem. So you got to read them, and hopefully you've read enough of these that you'll be familiar with them when it comes to it. But Zoe has 14 black cotton shirts, 16 white cotton shirts, 18 black polyester shirts, and 8 white polyester shirts in her closet. Now, I don't know about you, but I read that and I get an overload of numbers and shirts and whatnot. But we get an idea. There's some black shirts. There's 2 different colored shirts, and there's 2 different types of shirts in terms of their, the fabric makeup of them. And so we kind of log that information away, but then it says, what is the probability that she reaches into her closet and selects a black shirt, given that it's a polyester shirt? So we know something about this. So the nice thing about that is, yeah, we've got all kinds of different shirts up here, but we're not too concerned with all of the shirts anymore. All we're concerned with are how many polyester shirts are there, okay? So if we think about it, if we know that it's a polyester shirt, then our denominator needs to be polyester. If we know it's a polyester shirt, what are the chances it's black? Okay, we'll get to that in a second. What we need to do now is figure out how many polyester shirts there are. There's 18 black polyester shirts. There's 8 white polyester shirts for a grand total of 26. So you put 26 here to represent the number of polyester shirts. Now, the question boils down to the probability that it's black. Okay, now don't let that confuse you. We need to start at the given that. We know it's, even though it's the last thing said, if we know the shirt's polyester, what are the chances it's black? Well, we have to go up here and say the numerator then are all the polyester shirts that are also black. Okay, they're polyester and black. That's what goes up top. We have the 18 black polyester shirts. So there's 18 out of 26, and that isn't an option, but if you reduce that, you end up with it being a 9/13, which would be answer C.